Assalamu alaikum beloved students. Hope you all are fine and welcome to the class of physics class 8. In this video we will begin with the new chapter, that is friction. And in this chapter you will study about the friction, what is friction, then what causes the friction, then how friction depends on the surface or on the nature of the surface, then friction when object is pressed very hard, then examples where friction is useful in our day-to-day life and how it's harmful, means what the activities we are able to do in our day-to-day life due to friction and how it's not useful or how it's harmful in such. Then after you will study the types of friction, rolling, sliding and fluid. Let's begin with the chapter friction. Now, might be you have one question in your mind that how are we able to walk, how are we able to apply the brakes in the vehicles, then how are we able to ride? So the answer of all of the questions is friction. Now what is friction? It is an opposing force or it's frictional force. It is an opposing force that acts between surfaces in contact moving with respect to each other. And it always opposes relative motion between two surfaces. It always acts in the opposite direction. So suppose you are walking on the floor, there is also friction between your feet and the floor, and due to that we are able to walk on the floor. And it always acts in the opposite direction. Suppose you are walking in this direction, then the friction force will be in opposite direction. Now what causes the friction? So here you can see the example of table and book. We have kept a book on the table, so there is a friction between book and table also. So it depends on the surface, types of the surface. Okay, यानी surface कैसी है, smooth है या rough है, friction depends on that. If the surface is very smooth, अगर surface बहुत ही smooth होगी, now what kind of surfaces you can take in this smooth surface? You can take the marble floor, then you can take wet floor, means oily floor, you can take this. Okay, then these surfaces have very smooth, and due to that smoothness the friction will be very less. Let's take one example. Suppose there is an oil on the floor, then there will be the highest risk to fall down if you will walk on that floor. Why? Because उस वक्त आपके feet और फ्लोर के बीच में जो भी फ्रैक्शन है, जो भी ग्रिप है, वो बहुत ही कम हो जाएगी. Why? Because there is oily thing between your feet and floor which will reduce the friction between your feet and floor. इसलिए जब भी बनाना पील आ जाता है या फिर ऑयली फ्लोर होता है और एल्स वाटरी फ्लोर होता है, then there are highest risk that might be fall down. Okay, so it depends on the nature of the surface. If the surface is very smooth, then the frictional force will be very less. And if the surface is rough, now what kind of surfaces you can take as a rough surface? You can take example of cardboard, you can take example of some papers, then that you will consider in the rough. And जितनी rough surface होगी उतना frictional force ज़्यादा होगा. Now next is friction when object is pressed hard. So greater pressing force means greater friction. Then after, friction according to the mass of the object. जितना mass ज़्यादा होगा उतना friction ज़्यादा होगा. Then after this sliding friction, static and rolling friction we'll see in the next. Now let us see how the friction is useful in our day-to-day life. I have already given you the example of walking. How are we able to walk? Due to that frictional force. Okay. Then handling any object, whatever the object you are holding in your hand or anything, handling of any object, that is because of friction. Soles of shoes and tires treated to increase friction. Means ये जो शूज़ के सॉल्स है, ये शॉल्स को ऐसे बनाया जाता है कि वो फ्रिक्शन यानी आपको कोई भी फ्लोर पर अच्छी सी ग्रिप दे, जिसकी वजह से अगर ऑयली फ्लोर है या वेट फ्लोर है तो आप वहाँ पर इजीली चल पाओ और गिर ना जाओ. ओके, सो दिस soles are made in this purpose that you can have good grip with the floor. Similarly, you have seen the tires with this kind of designs. So why have they made such designs on the tire? Okay, क्यों designs form की जाती है? Just to show the attractiveness? No, it is to increase the friction. यानी कोई भी फ्लोर पर जो भी हमारा व्हीकल है वो इजीली मूव हो सके, एज वेल एज उसे अच्छी सी ग्रिप मिले, ताकि अगर ऑयली फ्लोर है तो हमारा व्हीकल स्लिप ना हो जाए. दैट्स वाई दे हैव गिवन हियर द ridges or we can say designs on the tires. But meanwhile there are some harmfulness also. So what it can be that हमारे जो शॉल है और ये जो टायर्स है, they get tear due to the frictional force, and we need to change the tires of the vehicles, as well as we need to change our shoes also. We need to buy new shoes also. Why? Because frictional force की वजह से ये जो है वो पूरी ridges मिट जाती है, जिसकी वजह से फ्रिक्शन जो है, ग्रिप जो है वो बहुत कम हो जाती है. So if there is a tearing of shoes sole or tearing of this ridges or tire, then we need to change it, otherwise might be we will fall down. Okay, then how can we reduce this friction? By applying some powder or some lubricants we can reduce this friction. Okay, so this thing we will continue in the next lecture. What have we studied today? We have studied about the friction, what is friction, then what causes the friction, and how friction depends on the nature of the surface. So if the surface is very smooth, then the friction will be less, and if the surface is very rough, then the friction will be higher. Okay, so thank you and have a great